Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on How to Buy Items on Temu for Under $10. Let's dive right in. First, go to the search bar at the top of the page and type in what you're looking for. For example, let's search for headphones. Then, hit enter. You'll see a list of products. To filter these results according to our budget, find the filter option on the top left side of the screen and tap on it. Scroll down to the price section. In the price range fields, enter 0 in the minimum field and 10 in the maximum field. Then, tap on the Show Results button. Now, all the products you see are under $10. Scroll through and pick the one that suits your needs. Once you've found a product you like, tap on it for more details. If you're happy with it, tap on the Add to Cart button. Next, go to your cart by tapping on the cart icon at the bottom right corner of the page. Review your items, and when you're ready, proceed to checkout. Fill in your shipping information and choose your payment method. After confirming all the details, click on Place Your Order. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.